The introduction to trajectories and hybrid spaces. So this slide introduces the topic of trajectories and hybrid spaces, which are important concept in AR and VR systems. So the modern interactive system not only focuses on visuals but also on your user movement, behavior over time, and interaction across physical and digital spaces. So, this slide explains why the trajectories and hybrid spaces are needed. The traditional applications are static, but the AR VR applications are dynamic and user centered. The users move physically, interact digitally, and their experience changes us over time. So, understanding these movements helps in designing better immersive systems. What is trajectory? The trajectory represents the path or a sequence of action taken by a user over time. So that include physical movement like walking, turning, and virtual movements, navigation in VR. So interaction steps, selecting, touching, representing. So the trajectories helps designers analyze how users experience on AR VR system. So this is a slide shows the trajectory designs. So the types of trajectory. The slide explains the different kinds of trajectories. The canonical trajectory intended the path designed by the developer, and participant trajectory is the actual path taken by the user. The historic trajectory is nothing but past interactions and the movement of history. So that mismatches between these trajectories reveal usability issues. So the physical and virtual trajectories. The users operate in both physical and virtual spaces. The physical trajectory movement in the real world, virtual trajectory means the movement in the digital environment. So in AR VR systems, these two trajectories must be well synchronized to avoid the confusion or discomfort. Then the hybrid spaces. The hybrid space is nothing but the above two slides of an applications often trajectory can be shown. So this slide shows the hybrid spaces. The what is hybrid spaces and the definition for this hybrid. The hybrid spaces are environment where the physical and digital spaces coexist and interact. So, AR is a classical example of a hybrid space where the digital information is layered onto the real world. So, the characteristics of the hybrid spaces combinations of real and virtual elements, the continuous interactions, content awareness like location, time, user actions. These characteristics allows users to seamlessly move between physical and digital experience. So these examples of hybrid spaces nothing but AR navigation apps, smart classrooms, the museums with AR guides, locations based AR games. So the relationship between the trajectories and the hybrid spaces is this slide connects both the concepts. Explain the trajectories occur within hybrid spaces, user movements, interactions, and experience involve as they move between the physical and virtual elements. So challenges such as tracking user movement accurately and maintaining the alignment between real and virtual objects and avoiding the user confusion and ensuring smooth transactions. These challenges must be addressed for effective AR system designs. So the important in AR and VR systems explained and the understanding of trajectories and hybrid spaces helps in improving user experience and designing the intuitive navigation, reducing errors and discomfort, creating engaging and immersive applications. So conclude by stating the strategies and describes user experience over time, while hybrid spaces describes the environment of interactions. Both are essential concepts for designing effective AR and VR applications.